Jain class 10 students, how are you students? Hope you everyone fine. Class 10 students, in this computer subject today, firstly I am delivered to you message how you just prepare your project work, because in the previous 2 days I am giving two projects, 1 and 2 project I am giving to you, and that one project is based on this type. Firstly, you have to purchase the requirement and essential things to completing your project. You know, firstly you have to purchase 10 rupees what? 10 rupees file. Okay? Then you have to purchase some pages, line pages. Okay? Liner pages. Then you have to purchase some liner pages. Those are in the CIS class 9. They have to understood how you just prepare it. But those are newer in this class. Then so you just listen carefully. File, liner pages and blank page. Okay? Blank page. So what we use of file, what we use of liner pages and blank pages. Okay? Listen carefully. If I given in the project first, suppose that in the project first I have to given you what is the code project first, friends? How you just create the email account. Okay, so you have to write the steps for email account creation in the liner pages and draw it the pictures where the written Google and creating email form. Okay, email form you have to create the page, and you have to create also what is the look after that when the email is opening. Okay, when you have to send it, then what is the look, where the two information, where the filling the another email ID and writing the subject, the code. Okay, so all these things you just on the blank page you have to write the picture, and in the one liner page you have to write the definitions, and then in the 10 rupees file you just arrange it. Okay, you must write page number 1, page number 2. Okay, for understanding the pages. Okay, so now today in this HTML chapter I am going to teach you another application, another element of HTML by which you have to insert a picture in your document. Okay, let me define it first. The topic image in HTML document. Okay, so for image is written as a picture. Okay, when you want to insert a picture in your document, then firstly you have to understand about your picture. Okay, then you have to use the image tag. Okay, it is the image tag. Okay, by which you have to insert the picture in the HTML document. Image tag, it has some attributes. Okay, what is the attributes of image? Then you just see src. Okay, it's embedding the picture in the HTML. Okay, then width, what is the width of picture? Then after that width, height. Okay, it's depend the height of the pictures. What you want to hide the picture, what you want to width the picture, what you want to insert the pictures, src. So it is the tag and it is the attributes to insert a picture in the HTML document. Suppose a lion. Okay, a lion is a picture, lion.jpg is a picture. Okay, that one is stored in where? That one picture is stored in document. So let me start to create a HTML document on it. Okay, so everyone listen carefully how you write the HTML code to insert the lion.jpg picture in the document. So listen carefully and note it, because when I write in your green board, then you have to note down on your clear notebook. So listen carefully. Firstly, start the doc type HTML, because you know very well doc type HTML. Why we have to choose doc type HTML? Doc type HTML. This is so the version. This is so the version of HTML is 5. HTML version is 5. HTML version is 5. It's so doc type HTML. Then after you have to write HTML. Okay. After that you have to write head. Okay. Then head after you just write the title. Okay. Then after the title you have to write insert image. Image in HTML. Then you have to close the title. Close the title. Close the head. Close the title, close the head, then after start the body. Okay, in the body you have to write H1 heading. Okay. Here is a picture of lion. Here is a picture of lion and close the heading tag H1. Insert img, okay, image tag. Insert the img src, okay. What the image? Lion, lion, lion dot jpg, okay. Then after close it, then what is the height you want? Okay. So height in pixel, I think I want 300, okay, pixel. And width, we also want the 300 pixel. Okay. So after that close it, then close the body. Okay. And then after close the HTML. Okay. When you have to complete it from here to here, your inserting of an image is completing on where? On the HTML document. Okay. So you know in the next time I will teach you the height and width, but now you just insert how the simple image. Okay. src lion dot jpg. Okay. Simple image insertion. Okay. Height, width, alignment in the next video I will taught you, but now in this video it is clear to insert a picture in a document. If you have any types of confusion, then you may ask in the WhatsApp group. Either you have to choose any another mode. So lion pictures, so listen carefully. Those pictures you want to view in the HTML document. Those picture you want to show in the HTML document, that one picture firstly you have to stored in the document folder. That one picture you firstly stored in the document folder. Because when you not have to store that file in the document, that file is never will present in this HTML. Okay. So here we write img src. Okay. Lion.jpg. It means that one lion picture are available in which document, and my this file, when we make this document, when we make this HTML document, that document we have to save it by the name of lion.html. Where that file you have to save, you save that file in the document. You save the file in the document folder. When you save that file in the document folder, then you will be see that file. Okay. So I think everyone understand how the insert image in HTML document. Let me again I revise you one thing. If the container tag is started, then it is necessary to close. Head is start, so head is closed. Close. Title is start, so title is closed. Body is start, so body is closed. H1 is start, so H1 is closed. Now here is what? img is start and never close. It means img tag. It means img tag is empty tag. Which one tag? Empty tag. img tag is which type of tag? IMG tag is a empty tag. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video until the last. If you have any type of problem, then ask in the comment box. Hope you make your notes and make your project. Within a few days, you have to complete your project, and after that completing the project, you come at the school and submit to me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, students. Thank you.